Excuse the mess on the floor. Today we're doing the cabin air filter. There's tons of videos out there on how to take it out. But maybe if I can somehow angle the camera up here. But you see that little opening right there? That's where your filter will go into. And if we switch to here, this is the holder for it. So let's get right into it. For my Jeep, it's a 2012 2.4 liter 4x4 four-wheel drive, and I got this one because the guy at O'Reilly Auto Parts store said this is a better quality cabin air filter, and today we're replacing a cabin air filter. So if you have a 2012 and you need to replace the cabin air filter, the guy who was at the auto parts store said this is a good brand and it's a better brand. So if you have a 2012 Jeep Patriot, this is the code that you can look for, the 24313. So I'm gonna put my camera down and open the box. So just give me a few minutes here. And basically mine was in the down position, so I gotta put it in the down position, I think. Or was it in the up position? No, it's me. Sorry, I was trying to figure out. But I can show you out with the old and in with the new. So here's the old one. Yeah, you could tell it's really nasty. I didn't realize that the Jeep Patriots had a cabin air filter. So you might want to go check your cabin air filter maybe every 3 months or 6 months, so it doesn't get to this bad. I mean, it still smelled good, but it wasn't as strong. So when it doesn't smell good in your vehicle, or it's not as strong, or the air from your AC is not blowing a lot of cold air, you might want to check your cabin air filter. This is my old one right here, and the new one is right here. That's the new one. You want to have this in a down position because that's what it shows when you pull the old one out. I just want to do this quick video. Thank you guys for watching. Hit the subscribe button. If you like my content, you want to see more automotive fixes, or something I find interesting on, or follow me on TikTok. It's at Big Joe Load, same thing as my YouTube channel, and give me a follow over there if you like that content. I'm kind of goofy, so I like to watch Adam Sandler, so that's where I kind of get my commentary from. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more content in the near future, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a like and a comment if you like, but please be respectful in the comments down below. Thank you for watching.